This is the aftermath of the 2019 December Colorado blizzard. I would have made a video earlier, but I was inside, staying warm. Look what the snow has done, because it all came from the north. Oh shit. Yeah. About 10 or 12 inches. Check that out. Is that a trip? This guy is totally checking me out, wondering what the fuck I'm doing. Who cares? Oh, baby. Look at that, there's my truck. It's got a new shape to it. So I gotta get scraping. Yeah, he was just looking, because he's got nothing better to do. Poor Barry, look at this guy's shovel. You can't see me shoveling out. Oh man, this is terrible. I gotta get ready for work in the morning, because I didn't want to work today. Can't blame them, because it was freaking miserable. Holy shit. Yeah, man. Crazy day. Stayed home and stayed warm and watched TV all day and ate warm food. That's what you do in a blizzard, isn't it? Oh boy. All right. Stay warm.